દિલ્હીમાં ઉડારે ગુલાલ ગુલાબી રંગ કેસરિયા.
Exercise 8.3, question number 5. In question number 5 it is given, if sec 4a equals to cosec a minus 20 degree, where 4a is an acute angle. It is given very good, means because why it is given 4a is acute angle. Technical question that will be clear in your, when you will go in class 11th. But the mathematics, always you have to write all the things. So that's why it is given 4a, and you will see 4a is acute angle. We will not use anywhere because we take it as it is. Okay, so where 4 is acute angle, find the value of a. So this is the question, you have to find the a. A means sec and cosec. Through this diagram I have told you these are the definitions. Until unless whatever we have derived, these are the definitions. Perpendicular by hypotenuse, this is the theta. Theta is made up with hypotenuse just in front of the 90 degree hypotenuse, and the theta is based on this base, so that is why it is base. And the rest opposite. In your book P for perpendicular, but in your book it is written opposite, and B for base, so it is written adjacent, and hypotenuse is same. So these were the definitions, and this is the mnemonics. These are the definitions, and this I have told you husband and wife relation. In all the videos I have told you sin and cosec, cos, these are husband and relation, husband and wife. So sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1, that's one. This, and this is 90 minus theta, neighboring relation. Okay, so this is sec and cosec, neighboring relation. We will use sec and cosec. This is, and the check, if you add this one, it will be 90 degree. Sec and cosec. So sir, does not appear to be 90 degree. The question was just like in earlier question. But what will you say? What will you change? Out of these two, any one you can change. Suppose I change this. I have to write sec a in the terms of cosec a, in the terms of neighboring. So what will you do? 90 minus theta. So will you use this neighboring formula, neighboring, sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, like this. So if this is what means, you can write cosec theta in the terms of sec theta and sec theta in the terms of cosec theta. So if I have to change sec, and another formula you have cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. But I write both at the same time like this, 90 minus theta and theta, and I make these two bracket here, and I ask to you put it neighbors. So the first neighbor is the neighbor which are using here, sec and cosec. This one, these are the neighbors, sec and cosec. So I can change sec in the terms of cosec. What we have to write? 90 minus this. So this was the only for your understanding. This is not the part of, yes, this is the part of your question. This is the part of your question. Otherwise, so change sec in the terms of cosec. You have changed sec, cosec, that will be 90 minus 4a. Yes, I have changed sec to the cosec, and 4a, 90 minus 4a is equal to cosec A minus 20. Earlier both were different, sec and cosec. Now both are same, cosec and cosec. So if these two cosecs are equal, it means the angles will be also equal. Actually it is in general case it will not happen, so that why it is given 4a is acute angle. That will be cleared in class 11th. 90 minus 4a, it means angles are equal, so 90 minus 4a equals to a minus 20, this, and solve the value of a. This is minus 4a, 5a, 110 is equal to 5a, and obviously a is equal to 5 2 is 10, 22 degree. So this is the answer. So this is the formula, because I have told to you.